Hi everybody, this is Perry Kinney. First we're going to begin by separating our sections. I like to use some clips here, but then I'm going to take each one of these sections and I'm going to put a very loose curl or bend on the ends of each portion. Keep it simple, not too technical at all, just bend those ends a little bit. And there we go. Next I'm going to separate my hair, and I'm going to do so by going straight down the center. Taking the section, combing from underneath, I'm going to bring it over from the left to right. Then using a specialized bob pin, we pick these pins up exclusively, and then what we do is you take and pull it over and pin in and down. I use these because they're very tight and they hold really well. Grab the second section, cross it on over, and now we have a crisscross pattern in the back that's nice and tightly wrapped. Then taking the top section, I bring it back. I don't smooth it out because I want a lot of texture in this look. I simply twist it, leaving the ends to kind of sit out as they do. You'll see in a minute. I'm going to take and twist this around, then take my pin and skim it between the bodies or the sections of hair. I don't push it in the hair really hard. I go on the edges of the hair. Pin that in, smooth out the curl portion of it, let it fall nice, loosely, and very casual. Taking the back section, or taking a section from the front and bringing it to the back, I should say, if I want to separate the amount of hair I have in the forward portion, I'm then going to grab it, as you can see where I've positioned it, and then open a bob pin and wrap the hair around the center there a little bit, so I can turn around and pin it in, and that just shortens that on out. I'm doing similarly here. It's a really easy technique. You're just grabbing the length of the hair, wrapping it around the bob pin, and it goes right in. So not hard to do at all. So what you like about this, be sure and share this with any of your friends that you wish to, and thank you very much for watching. Have a great day. Bye-bye.